Listen, man, get in here, y'all. Get in here, y'all. Diddy Accuser, y'all. You see what's going on here. You see the vibes. Listen, man. Sean Diddy Combs lawsuit, bro. The SA lawsuit has been dismissed because the accuser refuses to reveal their face. That's the accuser on the low, bro. Look, that's the accuser, bro. That's the accuser, bro. On the low, under the hoodie, bro. I need everybody in the building to make sure y'all dropping likes. We got Sean Diddy. We got Diddy, y'all. He in the eek-off. He in the preak-off, bro. With the baby all slipping. I heard Diddy was known in the freak-off. He would stop mid-freak-off and bust a dance stuff. He bust. Word, that's what I heard. Allegedly, Diddy, allegedly. You got to take a joke. You're in the building. If you don't laugh, you cry. Come on. Listen, though. We got to get into this read, though. We got to get into this breakdown, y'all. This is what we getting into, man. Diddy here, y'all. We got Diddy, man. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Shout out to everybody. Remember, start dropping likes from the beginning. You already know. As soon as you see this video, drop a like. Because we need the message out there. Period. Diddy done been holding everybody back from speaking about him forever. You didn't see with Wendy Williams and all that? Bro, been holding everybody back. So we got to support each other, bro. Solidarity. Look, boom. Sean Diddy Combs accusers lawsuit dismissed after she refuses to reveal his identity. He bugging. Yeah, I bet. He in the building the same way right now, I heard. I don't know, Diddy, I ain't making a joke. I've been in the building before. Trust me, this shit's real. But look, I was in there like this, so why you can't be in there like this? It's real. But anyway, neither here nor there. Sean Diddy Combs is continuing a small win. And he's counting it too. Nice. Because he got a couple of wins he looking like he winning, but he counting this one in a couple. So look, a small win in civil court after a woman's anonymously filed SA lawsuit was dismissed due to her decision not to reveal her identity. Diddy, you might have, you need a few more people to spring you loose, bro. You need a few more people to spring you loose. You know what I'm saying? On Monday, U.S. District Attorney and court judge, attorney first, and the court judge, Louis Lindman, issued an order closing Jane Doe's case according to a filing reviewed by USA Today. Lehman, known and noted that on March the 6th, he ruled that Doe could not proceed with her case anonymously and ordered her to file. Oh, bro, he said you can't keep going anonymously. She got to refile the case. Wow. He ordered her to refile her initial complaint using her real name. Now you out and out. Wow. That's crazy. What would make the judge do that? Wow, I never heard of that before. That's crazy. As of today, March 31st, 2005, Doe has not filed a complaint in her own name, nor has she sought an extension of time to do so, Lehman wrote. According to her legal team, Doe decided not to come forward due to her fear of public scrutiny. Some people saying that she's scared, she's terrified. This is what they're saying. I don't know. How do y'all feel? Have y'all heard about this story? Do you know more? Get in the comments. Let me know. If you're a lawyer or anybody like that, get in my comments. Let me know. If you're a lawyer, message me on Uda On Go, the same channel name, on my Instagram. And trust me, we can have some conversation about not just this, but a few cases. So if you're a lawyer, get in my comments and contact me. Look, they said, in this particular case, Jane Doe opted not to proceed. There is a lot of fear amongst these plaintiffs. I thus can't blame her. Texas-based attorney Tony Buzbee said in a statement to USA Today. He continued, these are tough times and tough cases, and they are many times and traumatizing and re-traumatizing for those who pursue them. Each case stands on its own merit. This woman chose not to proceed and her subject herself to the media circus and the perceived danger that she felt she would have dealt with. We have to respect that. You got to respect that. In her October 14 lawsuit, Doe claimed that Combs had R''d her at a 1995 party in New York for Biggie Smalls' music video. Combs' legal team responded to Monday's ruling by denouncing anonymous complaints against this hip-hop mogul, and he said that he's going to have his day in court. So all of these things that they're talking about, he said they're going to have his day. Today, a federal judge dismissed a lawsuit, not them, because everybody was mad. People like, yo, nah, they sprung Diddy, yo, Diddy free. Yo, bruh, people like that. People like this, Diddy. I seen somebody online like this, Diddy. Bro, I heard Diddy was doing that in the free call. He bugging, it's Diddy. I heard that's how he coming to the free. He bugging, Diddy. That's how Diddy was running in the free call, bro. Diddy was known to bust an occasional 1-2 step mid freak off. That's what I heard. Allegedly, Diddy. Allegedly. Look. So today, a federal judge dismissed a lawsuit filed against Mr. Combs by Texas attorney Anthony Buzbee and his local counsel, Curtis, on behalf of an anonymized plaintiff, because she don't want to come forward. This is now the second case brought by these attorneys against Mr. Combs that has been dismissed. That's why I said he got a couple of wins put together. Dismissed in its entirety. So that means it's just dismissed in its entirety. And then you're not even filing a claim to get back. Because remember, you can get a motion for time extension. You're not even doing the time extension. So they like, you playing with people's body. You done came out and did all of these things, and now you're not pushing forward. But sometimes it's hard. It's scary. You could be terrified. You could be traumatized. You could be scared. So we can't just say people coming out and don't be scared. You could be scared. You're going against powerful people, bro. It's scary. A lot of people don't say nothing for years because of these same reasons. So we acting like just because the person came out, had the little energy. You could come out with your energy and probably say something and then see the backlash and all the energy you get. And you be like, you know what? I don't know if I want to. You know what I'm saying, bro? People be scared. People got kids, children, all that. You think about the safety of kids. If it's just you out here, you might say, you know what? Go on, comma. You know what I mean? But when you got kids, you got to think. You got to be smart. So I don't know what's her reason. You know that it was said that. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. This is now the second case brought on by them that they said that was dismissed in its entirety. Combs' attorney said in a statement, it will not be the last one. The statement continued for months. We have seen case after case filed by individuals hiding behind anonymity, pushed forward by attorneys more focused on media headlines than legal merit. The other claims, like the one dismissed today, also will not hold up in a court of law. Combs' attorney have maintained his innocence as he faces dozens of SA lawsuits that date back to the 1990s, as well as his criminal crimes charges. And Combs is currently in jail after being denied bond multiple times and is scheduled to head to trial for his trafficking and racketeering charges on May the 5th. But Combs' team has made efforts in various cases, including his upcoming criminal trial, to unmask his accusers. In response, some judges have cast doubt on some of Combs' anonymous accusers' arguments and proceedings with their cases without disclosing their identities. Now, a few cases have been dismissed, while some accusers have publicly identified themselves to see their cases move forward. Some people have moved forward. Last November, a Jane Doe, who, like in the aforementioned Jane Doe, was represented by Buzbee, local New York counsel Curtis Law, PLLC, and San Diego-based AVA Law Group, saw his case dismissed by a federal judge a day after his lawsuit was filed because the man did not obtain authorization from the court. So, you know what I mean? He filed the lawsuit anonymously as well. In October, U.S. District Attorney and U.S. District Judge, my bad. In October, the U.S. District Judge, Mary Kay, said that a woman suing Combs over an alleged 2004 R could not remain anonymous. She also cited that Combs' interest in investigating the woman's credibility and public interest in open court proceedings. The woman then refiled the suit with her real name, Candace McCrary. So she like, nah, I'm filing mine. So we will go into Candace McCrary and see, and I would be bringing up the case files. So we'd be figuring out what the hell's going on. Another woman, Anna Kane, also identified herself as one of Combs' accusers last year after a federal judge said Kane failed to demonstrate and harm or current vulnerabilities. So he said that would occur if she were to name herself. Meanwhile, in December, another judge, Annalisa Torres, allowed another Buzbee client to remain unnamed in her lawsuit against. See, some people's getting unnamed and some people's allowing. This is the crazy thing. It's like a tug of war with this. Some people's able to, some people's not. It's crazy. In her lawsuit against Combs and Jay-Z, due to the sensitivity of the circumstances, that same Jane Doe voluntarily dismissed her case in February. Remember the one with Jay-Z back then? Threw it outright, said they was not going. Weeks later, Jay-Z sued the Jane Doe and Buzbee and another attorney for malicious prosecution, abusive process, and civil conspiracy and defamation. Man, it's crazy, man. This is crazy, y'all. It's crazy. But some people is running around like, yo, Diddy free. They sprung Diddy out. They bugging. I saw somebody on YouTube today, bruh. They bugging Diddy, he free. They bugging he free. They bugging he free. Word, that's Diddy free. Nah, Diddy got a small victory, but he got a couple of little small victories put together. And when you in court behind the walls, any victory is a victory indeed, bro. Trust me. This is one of them thrown out. Hopefully you can get the rest. That's all you can say, man. But he gonna have his day in court. It's upcoming, as you can know. You know what I mean? I need all of y'all to get in the comments what y'all think about the new accuser not showing their face. Do you think she really scared? Do you think this is about that? What about, you know what I mean? How do y'all feel about these things? You know what I'm saying? What do you think about Jay-Z? You know what I mean? They bringing up Jay-Z and Beyonce. Now an accuser is coming out saying Jay-Z, Beyonce, and LeBron. This is news today now. Jay-Z, LeBron, and Beyonce witnessed the aftermath of the assault that he went through. The person said they went through an assault, and Jay-Z, Beyonce, and they witnessed it, bro. You hear me? And LeBron James. This is craziness, man. This is crazy. You know them. You've been seeing them trying to pull LeBron James into some energy. Jay, we've been seeing him kind of pull Jay into some energy. Him and Jay-Z, him and Diddy was friends. But Beyonce, now they coming for the Queen Bee, my baby's moms. Not my baby moms. Yo, Jay-Z, chill. Don't send them at my head, ho. I'm going to sound like Kanye when Jay come for me. Yo, Jay-Z, don't send them at my head. Please, Jay, don't do it. Yo, listen, though. Beyonce, I love Beyonce, bro. It's my baby moms, bro. It's my baby moms, bro. Look at this woman, bro. Gorgeous as gorgeous could be, bro. Gorgeous as gorgeous could be, bro. And I ain't disrespecting, bro. That's that man wife. That's that man wife. So I'm not disrespecting that at all. But why is y'all coming at Beyonce now? What Beyonce got to do with the damn freak off and the sneak offs? Beyonce a wholesome queen. Y'all don't do that with B, bro. Don't let me cop. You know what? I'm going to do this for YouTube because YouTube might try to censor me, y'all. They might try to get me up out of here if I... You know what I mean? So I'm going to leave it be, y'all. I'm going to leave it in the holster. But y'all going to leave my baby B alone. Y'all gonna leave my baby Lee alone. Y'all get in the comments, let me know what y'all thinking about this, though. What's up, though? What y'all think about this Diddy thing? The accuser, they got other accusers, but now they got Beyonce, they accusing. They saying Beyonce witnessed the tragedy and the travesty of a SA and some assault. They said the man had to wear a penal mask and he was shamed and said, this is what you get for dealing with snitches. That's in this paperwork right here. This is what I went through earlier. Look. And this one, Jay-Z, LeBron James. Go check my last video. That's what this is about, bro. It's crazy. This is what I'm telling you. My last video right before this one is about this. You have to go and see this. If you're watching this, go watch this now. I'm not even going to hold you no longer. Go and watch the last video right now. Look what I said. Jay-Z, LeBron James, and all of that. They witnessed the post-assault. Oh, my God. In Jesus walks, bro. Listen, bro, go and check that video right now. Look, this is the last video I just did. This one, the accuser didn't show her face. She's probably scared. I can't say that the accuser not scared, man. As you're going up against giants, man, people that have money, it's scary, man. It's scary, man. It's scary. I'm not gonna say nothing, but it's scary. Tell me if y'all think that the accuser is really scared. I think that they're really scared. If y'all think I'm wrong, then tell me there was a money grab. They ain't scared. They clout chasing. It might be. Y'all might think she clout chasing. Y'all might show me something. I might say, you know what? Y'all right. Put me on game. Keep my mind on go. That's what we got to keep each other on go. But look, bro, y'all gotta. Everybody watching this, go and watch this video right now. That's the last live I just did. Go and see that right now. Everybody drop a like. Everybody share this video. Everybody subscribe to all the channels linked to my channel. Hit me on Instagram. Same channel name, Udo on Go. That's how you contact me. That's how you get to collaborate with me. I'm building with my people in real time. We all building together here on Go. Anything I could do to help my people to try to collaborate and do whatever, that's what we doing around here, right? Shout out to everybody that's hitting the Cash App. The Cash App is Udo on Go, the same as the channel name. Listen, y'all. Yo, I heard Diddy was known to stop the freak off, mid-freak off, and bust an occasional 1-2 step, son. Diddy, with the oil. He bugging. He got the baby oil in his hand. He bugging. Diddy, he bugging. Word, that's what I heard. Allegedly, Diddy. You gotta tap laugh in there, Diddy. It's real, man. If you don't laugh, you cry. Salute to everybody. Subscribe to the channel right now. Uda. Always on go. on Jesus sandals. Everybody drop a 7 in the chat for God. Drop a 7 in the chat for Jesus or his angels. And you could drop 2 sandals for Jesus walks, because Jesus walks with us. And we say on Jesus sandals around here. So drop 2 sandals, drop a 7 for God, drop a 7 for Jesus or the angels. You already know. We're going to be back with another one. Diddy, what happened? I thought they sprung you, Diddy. I thought you was free for a minute, man. I thought you was free.